Hello everybody, good day. This is Teacher Rex Apin, and today we will discuss about the basic operation in mathematics. Are you all ready? Okay, very good. Now, since we have our new topic for today, first, let us discuss our learning objectives. Our first objective, review the concepts of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Second, differentiate the four operations in mathematics. And third, identify the different symbols in every operation. What are the four basic operations? The four basic mathematical operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Again, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They have application even in the most advanced mathematical theories. These four operations are fundamental in the field of mathematics. Let us also discuss about the different symbols that is used in every operations. First, we have addition. Addition has this plus symbol. Again, addition plus symbol. Subtraction, we have this hyphen symbol or minus symbol. Again, subtraction, it is denoted as hyphen and it is read as minus symbol. Next, multiplication has three symbols. We have the small letter x, the asterisk, and the parenthesis. They are times symbols. And last, we have division. In division, we have two symbols here. We have this division sign or values, and then we have here the division bar. They are the divide symbols. Now, I prepared a video from binogi.com. The video will be going to explain to you the four basic operations in mathematics, so you have to listen carefully.
There you are. Second sheet done. 8 more cookies. And we already had one sheet with 8 cookies. That makes it 8 plus 8, of course. 16 cookies.
Yes, 16 cookies. You add 8 to 8 and the result is 16. This way of calculating is addition. You add, reckon up, total, sum. Another way of looking at it is to study the number line. When you add, you go to the right on the number line. If you have 8 cookies to begin with, you start at the 8 in the number line. If you add 8 more cookies, move 8 steps to the right and land on 16. This is addition. The numbers you use to calculate are called terms, and the result is a sum. But hey, another sheet of cookies is ready. How many cookies are there now? 24. 8 plus 8 plus 8. You add some more, plus. But there is another way of getting the answer. If you bake a sheet of 8 cookies 3 times, you get the number of cookies by calculating 3 times 8. This is multiplication. Do you see that there is a connection between addition and multiplication? Because multiplication is a repeated addition. 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 3 times 8. If you bake 10 sheets of cookies, the number of cookies can be described as a repeated addition, or more simply, as a multiplication. 10 times 8. These operations are connected. The numbers you use to calculate are factors, and the result is a product. Now the guests start to arrive to the party. There are 6, and they have 1 cookie each. They had 24 cookies, ate 6 of them, then there are 24 minus 6 cookies left. Minus means remove or subtract. The operation is called subtraction. Let's look at the number line again. When you subtract, take minus, you go to the left on the number line. Start at 24, go to the left 6 steps, 1 for each cookie eaten. You end up at 18. When we subtract, we move to the left on the number line. When we add, we move to the right. This means that subtraction is addition backwards. This is the connection between plus and minus. They are opposites. The numbers you calculate with when subtracting are called terms, just like in addition. The result is the difference. Difference is the size of the gap between 2 numbers. It can be understood this way. A pile consists of 24 cookies. We mark 6 of them. The difference between 24 and 6 is 18. More guests arrive at the party. Now there are 9, and they want to share the cookies equally. That makes 2 cookies on each plate, because 18 divided by 9 is 2. This is division, divided by. When you want to split a number into equally sized parts, you divide. The number at the top is the numerator, the number at the bottom is the denominator, and between them is a dividing line. The result is a quotient. Does division have any connection to the other operations? Yes, division is multiplication backwards. Watch. 18 divided by 9 equals 2, and 2 times 9 is 18. Times and divided by are connected and are each other's opposite. The 4 operations and their connections. Remember, addition, plus. Subtraction, minus. This is addition backwards. Multiplication, times, a repeated addition. And division, divided by, multiplication backwards.
Okay, thank you for listening. This time, I will now explain to you the essence of the video. Let's begin with the addition operation. Based on the video, if we add 2 numbers, the result is called sum. Again, the result is called sum. Wait a minute, I will highlight it. Okay, this is sum. If we will use number line in adding numbers, we go to the right of the number line, which means if we have 8 plus 8, we put 8 to the number line and then add 8 more, which can gives us the sum of 16. For example, on the video, so these are 8 cookies. Then we have to add 8 more. So from 1, the result here is 16. Therefore, 16 is called the sum. Next, operation. The addition operation example. If we have 8 plus 3 here, 8 and 3 are called addends, and 11 here is the sum or total. Again, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. From 8, you have to move 3 places to the right of the number line. That will result to 11. Second example, if you have here 2 candles plus 4 candles, how many candles are there in all together? So we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all in all, we have here 6 candles. 2 plus 4 candles is equal to 6 candles. So that is addition operation. We just simply add numbers. Okay, Let's proceed to the next one. Our next operation is multiplication. Now, multiplication on the other hand is just a repeated addition. Again, it is a repeated addition. Repeated addition. Okay? If we say 8 plus 8 plus 8, it also means that you repeat to add 8 to itself 3 times, which is also equal to 3 times 8. The result, if we multiply two numbers, is called product. Again, fact, multiplication is just a repeated addition. For example, let's look at the video. We have here 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. But since multiplication is a repeated addition, which means that we add 8 3 times. Again, we add 8 3 times. If we will be going to convert it in multiplication, we have 3 times 8, which means that we will be going to multiply 8 to itself 3 times. That makes us as multiplication is also a repeated addition. Example number 1. We have here 6 times 6 is equal to 36. We have here, that means we have to multiply 6 times to itself. Or it is simply, we have to add 6 times. So in addition, we have 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. But if we will be going to convert it in multiplication, it will become 6 times 6. That will gives us 36. Again, 6 times 6 is also the same as multiplying 6 times to itself. Second example. We have here 3 examples. First, we have 3 times 3. That means we will be going to multiply 3 times to itself. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. It is also the same as 3 plus 3 plus 3. That will give you the result of 9. But it can also be 3 times 3. That means we have to multiply 3 times to itself. That will also give us the result of 9. Second example, 2 times 4. This means that we will be going to multiply 2 4 times to itself. So in addition, it is also the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will give you the result of 8. But in multiplication, it is simply 2 times 4. We have to multiply 2 4 times to itself, and that will give us the result of 8. Last, 4 times 3. That means we have to multiply 4 3 times to itself. So in addition, we have here 4 plus 4 plus 4. It will give you the result of 12. But if we will be going to make it in multiplication process, that will be 4 times 3. That means we have to multiply 4 3 times to itself. They will just give you the same answer, which is 12. Again, fact about multiplication. It is a repeated addition. Let's proceed to the next operation. Our next operation is subtraction. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. When we subtract, we go left on the number line. This means that subtraction is an addition backward. The result if we subtract two numbers is called difference. For example, 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. 18 is called difference. Let us look at this video taken from binogi.com. So if you have 24 cookies here and you ate 6, so we have to remove 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We already removed 6. Now, the remaining cookies is 18 cookies. Therefore, 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. And 18 here is called difference. Now I will show to you why is it that subtraction is the opposite of addition. When we add, we move to the right of the number line. Okay? This is addition. However, if we subtract numbers, we move to the left of the number line. This is subtract. Since we are subtracting, we are also removing values. So from 24 here, we remove 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, since we remove 6 from 24, the remaining cookies here is 18. Example, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So 7 here is called the minuend, and 5 here is called the subtrahend, and 2 is called the difference. Now, you have 7 pesos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pesos. And you wanted to spend 5 pesos. So you have to spend 5. You have to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you only have 2 pesos left. That is how we do subtraction. We remove values. We remove the subtrahend from the minuend so that we could get the difference. Another example is 9 minus 3. Let me show to you how 9 minus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, you have 9 pesos and you wanted to spend 3 pesos. Okay, you want to spend 3 pesos. You wanted to buy candy, you wanted to buy bubble gum. So you have to get 3 pesos from 9 pesos. 1, 2, 3. So the remaining money that you have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pesos. Okay, so 6 pesos. We remove 3 from 9. The result there is 6. And 6 is called difference. Let us proceed with the next operation, the division. Division, when we want to split a number into equally sized parts, we divide. Again, if we wanted to split a number into equally sized parts, we divide. Okay? We divide numbers. Division is also multiplication backward. Example, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 times 5 is equal to 10. They are opposite. Division and multiplication are so connected with each other. The result when we divide two numbers is called quotient. Again, the result if we divide two numbers is called quotient. So let me share to you this video about division. You have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 18 cookies, and you wanted to divide it into 9. So 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. Therefore, we divide 18 into equal parts. Okay, so we have 9 equal parts that is composed of 2 cookies. Okay, that is how division works. Okay, 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Now, as we discussed a while ago, multiplication and division are so connected, which means that if we have divided by 9 is equal to 2, we have to put multiplication symbol there, and the result is 18. Now, 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Therefore, we have to multiply 9 2 times, or we will be going to multiply 2 9 times. That will give us the result of 18. Therefore, division is just a multiplication backward. Let me give you an example. As you can see, we have there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Okay, 6 columns that is composed of 3 rows. The question is, how many red balls are there? Okay. So we have to multiply. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Or we will be going to multiply 3 6 times to itself. That will give us 18. Now, since division is a multiplication backward, it means that 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Or 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Example, you wanted to divide these red balls into 3 equal parts. How many balls are there in every part? Okay, so we have to divide 18 into 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are equal. Therefore, 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. The purpose actually of division is just to divide the number of items or elements into equal parts. Let us generalize all the operations that we have learned today. Addition, plus or we add. Again, plus or we add. The result of adding two numbers is called the sum. If we add numbers in the number line, we go to the right of the number line, or we move places to the right of the number line. That is addition. Second, subtraction. Subtraction, it is minus, remove, or addition backward. When we add, we go to the right of the number line, while when we subtract, we move to the left of the number line. In addition, we add numbers. In subtraction, we remove values. Okay? Addition, add values. Subtraction, remove values. They are connected with each other. The third operation is multiplication. Multiplication times or repeated addition. That means 8 plus 8 plus 8 is also the same as 3 times 8 because there are 3 8s given and you have to multiply that given to itself. So 3 times 8. That is multiplication or repeated addition. Last operation is division. Division is called divided by or multiplication backward. Okay? The purpose of division is to divide the item into equal parts. We say that 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Since it is multiplication backward, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Did you get it? Again, the result if we add number is called sum. Subtract. The result if we subtract two numbers is called difference. The result if we multiply two numbers, product. The result if we divide two numbers, quotient. Okay, so I hope that everybody have learned about the basic concept of the 4 fundamental operations in mathematics. Okay, class, it's assessment time. I know that everybody is now knowledgeable with the concepts of basic operations in mathematics. So get 1/4 sheet of pad paper. Direction. Each question has allotted time for you to answer. I will read the question twice and you will write the letter of the correct answer. Again, I will read the question twice and you will write the letter of the correct answer in your piece of paper. Are we all ready? Again, are we all ready? Since everybody is ready, now let's get started. Question number 1 to 4. For 1 minute. What are the 4 basic operations in mathematics? Again, what are the 4 basic operations in mathematics? Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, time's up. Next, question number 5 for 15 seconds. What is the symbol used for multiplication? Again, what is the symbol used for multiplication? Your 15 seconds starts now. Time's up. Next question. Question number 6 for 15 seconds. What is the symbol used for addition? Again, what is the symbol used for addition? Your 15 seconds starts now. Time's up. Next question. Question number 7 for 15 seconds. What is the symbol used for division? Again, what is the symbol used for division? Your 15 seconds starts now. Time's up. Next question. Question number 8 for 15 seconds. What is the symbol used for subtraction? Again, what is the symbol used for subtraction? Your 15 seconds starts now. Time's up. Next question. Question number 9 for 20 seconds. What is known as repeated addition? Again, what is known as repeated addition? Your 20 seconds starts now. Time's up. Next question number 10 for 20 seconds. What is known as multiplication backward? Again, what is known as multiplication backward? Your 20 seconds starts now. Oops, sorry. Time's up. Next question. Question number 11. What is the result when you add numbers? Again, for 20 seconds. What is the result when you add numbers? Your 20 seconds starts now. Time's up. Next question. Question number 12 for 20 seconds. What is the result when you divide numbers? Again, what is the result when you divide numbers? Your 20 seconds starts now. Time's up. Next question. Question number 13 for 20 seconds. What is the result when you subtract numbers? Again, what is the result when you subtract numbers? Your 20 seconds starts now. Time's up. Next question. Question number 14. What is the result when you multiply numbers? Again, question number 14 for 20 seconds. What is the result when you multiply numbers? Your time starts now. Time's up. Last question for 15 seconds. If we will add numbers, we go to the blank of the number line. A left, B right. Again, for 15 seconds. If we will add numbers, we go to the blank of the number line. Choose between A left or B right. Your 15 seconds starts now. Stop writing. Now please raise your papers. Thank you. Please give your papers to the person in charge. Very good. Now, see you again next session. Goodbye, class, and thank you.